Welcome to Zacks Investment Center. Today we'll be taking a look at Nvidia's Q4 earnings report, which has beat Wall Street's expectations. So let's get into this report. They have had quarterly revenue of $22.1 billion, which was better than the $20.4 billion which was estimated. And this is up 22% from Q3 and up 265% from a year ago, which is a huge increase in revenue. They have also had record quarterly data center revenue of $18.4 billion, up 27% from Q3. And yes, that number you are reading is correct. This is up 409% from a year ago. Now, a large amount of data center sales went to large cloud providers. The founder and CEO of Nvidia, Jensen, says accelerated computing and generative AI have hit the tipping point. Demand is surging worldwide across companies, industries, and nations. Now, this does make sense as the data center revenue increase shows a lot of this growth has been driven by AI. So we can see Nvidia is thinking about the direction we are heading in the future and how heavily artificial intelligence is going to be used in the next coming years. They have also mentioned their next generational product they are expecting to be very popular as they expect the demand for the product to outweigh the supply. So this would suggest we can expect to see more growth in this area due to a supply and demand issue with their artificial intelligence chips. They have also had full year revenue of $60.9 billion, up 126%. They have also mentioned for Q1 they're expecting to grow and have estimated adjusted gross margin to be 77%, respectively similar to Q4. Beyond Q1 for the remainder of the year, they are expecting gross margins to return to the mid-70s percentage range. So what this is telling us is that we are at the top for gross margins percentage increases, and we should start to see gross margins level out or for there to be a slight decrease. So it'll be interesting to see what the gross margins come in at for the rest of the quarters for the upcoming year, as there is a good amount of competition from other companies trying to compete with Nvidia. Nvidia's revenue will also benefit as more powerful and better performance GPUs are released by them. This will mean large organizations will feel they need to purchase the upgraded GPU to give them that competitive edge to stay ahead of competitors. For example, the anticipated H200 GPU should be available for global manufacturers and cloud service providers starting in the second quarter of 2024. The H200 allows vast amount of data to be processed at a high speed using large fast GPU memory, which will help solve some of the world's most important challenges much faster. The H200 is also built to be compatible with the same systems that already support the H100s. Nvidia says cloud providers won't need to make any changes as they add H200s into the mix. Now we can expect there to be supply constrained with these H200 AI chips, as there's going to be so many companies trying to get their hands on it. From a revenue viewpoint, this GPU is going to be fantastic for incoming revenue. Nvidia's gaming revenue in the fourth quarter was stable at $2.9 billion, reflecting a 56% increase from the previous year. The full year gaming revenue rose by 15% to $10.4 billion. A lot of these sales were from graphics cards. Nvidia has reached the milestone of 500 AI-powered RTX games and applications. Nvidia RTX, introduced less than 6 years ago, is now a massive PC platform for generative AI, enjoyed by 100 million gamers and creators. The year ahead will bring major new product cycles to help propel the industry forward. Yet again, with the new products and with the power of generative AI, the users in the gaming part of the business is going to only increase, and overall increase their gaming revenue part of the business. Due to Nvidia's rapid growth, they are one of the largest companies in the world, and this stock has a higher market cap than major companies such as Amazon and Google. At the time of recording this, their market cap is just over $2 trillion. This stock is up 252%, which is $589 a year to date, which is crazy. And we can see this stock has had a massive increase in price when the earnings report was released. Overall, this company still has a lot of growth for the future, especially with how focused they are with AI and the demand for their products being so high, such as their GPUs. Due to this, Nvidia's revenue should continue to grow quite steadily. So overall, Nvidia's future looks bright and looks like a good long-term stock to potentially take a position on. But as always, don't forget to conduct your own research and seek advice from a financial advisor. That's it for this video. If you're interested in stock and crypto videos like this, hit the subscribe button for more. Until then, happy investing from Zach's Investment Center.